Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we'll understand the attack surface reduction in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. ASR or attack surface reduction is hardening the places where a threat is likely to attack. As a security analyst or a SOC analyst, it is your role to understand the protection options and provide recommendations. While you are performing alert investigations, you should know the events generated by ASR on the host which might provide the forensic evidence. So to explain you, right, the list or the areas of list of ASR components or attack surface reduction components, the solution is attack surface reduction rules. What it does is it reduces vulnerabilities in the applications with intelligent rules that help stop malware. Hardware-based isolation. It would protect and maintain the integrity of a system as it starts and while it's running. It will validate system integrity through local and remote attestation. It will use container isolation for Microsoft Edge to help guard against malicious website. Then there is the application control, exploit protection, network protection, web protection rules, controlled folder access, device control. And now how would you enable the attack surface reduction rules? So this attack surface includes all the places where an attacker could compromise the organization devices or networks. Reducing your attack surface means protecting the organization devices and network, which leaves attacker with fewer ways to perform attacks. Attack surface reduction rules target certain software behaviors that are often abused by attackers. So attack surface reduction rules currently support many rules. You can see the list on Microsoft documentation. To name few, like block executable content from email client, block all Office applications from creating child processes, Office application from creating executable content, things like that. You can exclude files and folders from attack surface reduction rules. You can set the rule to audit mode for evaluation. You use the audit mode to evaluate how attack surface reduction rules would impact the organization if they were enabled. It's best to run all rules in audit mode first so you can understand their impact on your line of business applications. Many line of business applications are written with limited security concerns and they may perform tasks in a way that seems similar to malware. By monitoring audit data and adding exclusions for necessary applications, you can deploy attack surface reduction rules without impacting the productivity. You can set notification when a rule is triggered. You can configure attack surface reduction rules on Windows 10, Server 2019, 2016, 2012 R2, 2022. You can enable attack surface reduction rules by using any of these below methods: Intune, MDM or mobile device management, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, Group Policy, or PowerShell. You can log on to your Intune portal. You can have the endpoint security as well. So let me show you that on portal. I am logged on portal. So you go to secure endpoints. You see the rules here: alert, separation, indicators, right? These are where you can define the ASR rules: web content filtering, automation uploads, or automatic folder exclusions, right? And there are ways you can configure the attack surface reduction rules through PowerShell, group policies, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, mobile device management, endpoint security policy, or device configuration profiles in the Intune. So this was a brief overview of ASR. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.